Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. This is Reggie Williams. I do technical analysis on stocks and also cryptocurrency and pretty much anything that's popular. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, I look at hundreds of charts a day, and when I see certain patterns and certain movements, I do post them so you can, at least consider taking advantage of these moves. So again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also help support the channel and tell YouTube that this is pretty helpful when they see that. So anyway. Today's video is about crypto. I have not done a video on a crazy week we had last week. I think there's enough videos for that about GameStop and all that stuff. But I do want to talk about on this video when it comes to crypto why GameStop and this other short selling madness we got going on in regulations and stuff with Robinhood is going to help the crypto market. So we're going to go. I'm going to go over Bitcoin, Doggy Coin, if it's pronounced that way, and Ethereum. All right. So let's get going. So this is Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin, compared to the U.S. dollars, this is forex. So with Bitcoin, we had a downward trend, right? So we're gonna draw some live trend lines. So it started here, and this was the downtrend, and then it broke the downtrend. Now this is a daily chart, right? So once it broke that downtrend, it started a new uptrend, right? So we have this uptrend is spiked way up here, and touched the 38.6 mark, came back down, undecisive. So it's a lot of struggle between buying and selling. Right now, we're in a bit of a sell-off. The sellers are winning. The RSI indicator is kind of showing a cup, maybe the cup and handle on the RSI movements. So the RSI is still showing buying and a little close to overbought, but not yet. Our MacD indicator down here, let's do a close up of that, is showing that weakness in that downtrend, right? So we had that reversal. It's still showing in the downtrend, but it's weakening. So once we see the golden cross, when this blue line crosses the gold line, you want that blue line above that shows uptrend on the MACD. This is volume, these bars here. So we've had a lot of volume in the last few days. No surprise. And guess when that reversal happened? Is when the GameStop madness started, right? So we had this day, like 3 days ago, had a lot of like on Thursday, strong buying. The reason of that is because crypto is now the new gold. It's a new safe haven. Back in the day, when it was undecisive in the market, you didn't know where to put your money. People would just buy gold, right? And it was always a dependable place to sit your money. Now people are just scrambling for places to put their money. You can't buy bonds and all the other securities that used to be good safe havens for your cash. And so now people are looking to crypto, and it's being more widely accepted. And right now we're in infancy stages of it. So right now we have it's struggling between uptrend and downtrend. Today it's been moving in a very small range right here, and as you can see now with this trend line, it's going to be support. So if for some reason we have a downtrend or a sell-off, we could be seeing 31.8. That would be on some sort of news catalyst or something. 32, but right now that's if it resorts to the downtrend, which I don't think so. So let's see what we'll get to on the uptrend. Boom, at that line. So this is what we're looking at on the uptrend. Boom. So it can get as low as, respecting this uptrend trend line, as low as 33.4, right? And then go up from there. The uptrend line, let's see, resistance would be probably the top of this red candle. This was a good resistance and support line at some point. So we're probably gonna see a really big move in it, a really big spike up and hit the 36.6 mark. Probably bounce down, just kind of do like an upward pennant pattern here, and eventually hit up here to 38. But I think it's gonna retest this 40,000 mark again, because Mary got up to. So this would be a retest. It's gonna definitely bounce. I highly doubt it just jumps through the 40,000 mark. Um, but we're going to see it. We're going to see it hit it and then bounce down, and most likely at some point it's going to break through, because this trend is just beginning. So this trend just began. We still have a lot of upward movement. So it's a good time to get into Bitcoin, in my opinion, especially when this the market is uncertain, right? In an uncertain market. Plus, statistically, I look back at the SPY, the SP 500 in February and January are typically rough months for the stock market. So with that said, people are going to flee to Bitcoin. Also, Robinhood traders, they're going to probably be leaving Robinhood because of restrictions. There's going to be further news with Robinhood. I can see them putting their money into Bitcoin because you can buy Bitcoin through Cash App, right? I think to me that goes hand in hand. That's the same type of customer. Same customer that has Cash App is going to have Bitcoin, going to have Robinhood, I believe, because they're like starter apps. Um, so Bitcoin is gonna make a big move, man, and because of that. And then you're gonna see, and also you're gonna still see more places to buy Bitcoin. So let's go to Doggy Coin. Now this is kind of the opposite. Doggy Coin is tough to get because as far as my research, the best platform to get it is Robinhood. And so since Robinhood is going through some growing pains right now, I don't see a huge raise in Dogcoin because of that. But I do believe people will probably leave Robinhood or just keep the account and not trade on there or just get multiple accounts, which you should do anyway, right? This is a perfect example of that. But people may not be selling their doggy coin, right? So, but right now this is a strong move down. Coincidentally, that happened on Friday when a lot of these restrictions started taking place. Even Thursday, when it was up here and it probably sold off because of the Robinhood issue, people getting pissed off. And right now it's in a bit of a downtrend. What we have support at the 0.0278 mark. It will be our support. Our resistance will be at the 0.0288 mark. If it breaks past the 0.0278 mark, it's going to crash hard down to 0.022 on Doggy Coin. If it goes past that, I'd get out of it altogether because it's going to come all the way down here, and who knows how long it'll take to recover. But I mean, this will be a good buying opportunity. It comes down here and just hold forever, right? Just hold and wait for the next news catalyst. When the news catalyst come up, it jumps. Buy. Take 10% off the table. You want to take some profits. Um, but Doggy Coin is a household name now. It's not going away. It has good branding, right? No matter about value and evaluations and all that stuff, just strictly off the technical. And if you just want to make money off the move, I'd put money in Dogcoin. So that's what I'd say about that. And Ethereum. So to me, Ethereum and Bitcoin are the most reliable. So right now, Ethereum is trading in a range. It's almost like a pennant forming, but it's trading. And this at 1367 is our resistance on Ethereum right now. And I am daydreaming here. Here we go. All right, cool. And our support will be this trend line here. So it's trading in a pennant pattern, right? Boom, 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 and it's going to end up breaking out. So my resistance line is probably a little too low. So resistance is going to be right here. 1398 is actually our resistance. 1398, and if it breaks out of 1398, Ethereum is heading to 1436. You may bounce down, come back up, hit 1482, and then start set new highs. If it sets new highs, let's see where it's going. If it sets new highs, it's looking for $1,600, $1,600 if it breaks past these levels. So Ethereum is going to, it's kind of choppy. Our volume isn't that good here. See, the volume is kind of, buying is heading downwards. So Ethereum needs some good news. We need Elon Musk to tweet about it or something. But it is an uptrend. It's going to break out. But it needs a news catalyst. It needs something to help it though. Other than that, it's going to stay in this little range. Maybe have a small breakout, and it needs some news. So again, we got the problem in the equity market that's going to help with our uh, cryptocurrency. All right. So this is Reggie with another video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, again, I don't mind if you have a stock you want me to look at from a technical point of view. If you want my opinion on it, feel free to leave in the comments and I'll look at it. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, I'm a swing trader. So I look at a lot of stocks and I can't buy them all. And so when I find nice little moves that's coming or on the way, I do post about it. And so you can get alerts on that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be alerted when I drop these gems. All right, this is Reggie with Stock Talk. I'll see you on the next video.